What's up, my ponios? Lunch just started, and I heard a lot of cool noises outside. I want to go see what's going on. It seems like there's a bunch of birdies that want to come say hi, so why don't we go feed them? What are you guys watching? Oh, Frozen 2. Isn't this like the 10th time you watched it? You guys want to come feed the birds with me?
No.
Oh, okay, fine.
Dad, we're so cheap from Boy Scouts.
Did you watch Mary Poppins as well?
No, I just like that song.
Isn't that on Disney Plus?
Yes, we're watching.
We have bird seed from Cub Scouts up here. Mom, now it'll be better to... Oh my gosh. You're scaring me. I guess this social distancing has made you go crazy.
Do you want a toasted soy spread peanut butter replacement jelly sandwich?
What did you say? You have two. Ew, what does this world come to? Just kidding, peanut allergies are a real thing. I'm not trying to make fun of anyone who's got any. Please don't be mad at me because I made fun of this sandwich because you have peanut allergies. Alright, let's shut the door to that music. Ew. Now we've got some real thug music playing in the parking lot of the Chevron. So the kids during Cub Scouts, when it was a thing, made these bird feeders, and we filled them up before, and now they're empty. Let's fill them up now. I'm good at this. There's one over here, but I think it fell. There's the rope. I don't see it anywhere. I wonder if I threw it away. Man, my lunch times are starting to become so eventful, way more than ever. Looks like the neighbors are getting a new fridge. I'm not trying to spy, I'm just looking out my window. They scared all the birdies away. I'm gonna have to wait till they're done. I'll go eat something first. Gurgly bear, gurgly, gurgly, gurgly. What have we got for lunch, Mom? I'm hungry. What do
make you babies a smoothie.
Oh, Mama's special Latino smoothie.
Oh my god.
Mmm. Perfectly curated for my ancestors, huh? Is that Sunny D? It's alive!
Pink.
What are you calling?
I want pink.
Straws? Wait till she pours it. Move your face. Wait till she pours it.
I like how I don't taste these first.
Excuse me, sir.
Nix. Wait, whose is this?
Blue.
Tono's. Doherty's. Tono's.
Where's my straw?
Nix. Mama's.
Lordy, you don't get a straw.
Whoa, you got the most, that's so unfair. Sunny D, thanks, Mom. Wow. I said it like 2 seconds before when the camera wasn't on. Did you notice that the camera's a little different? I switched to my nicer camera. Let's try it out. Which one's mine, love?
I took all through these towels.
Make sure the pillow's right underneath your feet.
Mmm, Amazon drink. That's really good.
So they can't
Really
go in
sweet.
unless Elsa goes in.
Let's take these to the birds now.
I need more bird food in my feed.
The other bird feed is right here. It's completely ready to go. This one can fill up a lot more. Oh, I thought it was double-sided. Oh, just dumped it all out. Crap. We'll put some in here. They love just gnawing on the little buds there. Now it's just a waiting game. We'll wait till they come back and then we'll take some video of them. Lunch is over. I'm gonna have to get back to it, and maybe on my break I'll go check if the birdies are over there. Nonetheless, we'll see you then. Hey, you guys are in my office. Get out of here.
You have a meeting?
Giggly bear.
It's a
You guys are the worst coworkers ever. Just sitting and farting and playing games. Alright, Ponios, well that's it. My break's over. I need to go back and finish work. That was pretty fun. Ended up putting my phone up in the tree and it got some really good sounds. All the robins and crows were gone from this morning, which is too bad. I feel like those were morning glories or finches. I don't know. Tell me in the comments which type of bird that was, because I have no idea. They're really cute, especially the ones that were on the fence. Alright guys, thanks so much for your time and happy social distancing. Bye guys. Andy with Andy Vlogs signing out.